Welcome back to Old Charles, your home for coin collecting facts, history, and value breakdowns. Today, we're diving deep into a coin that many people have in their collection without even realizing its potential value, the 1974 Kennedy half dollar. Moneybag, the Kennedy half dollar series began in 1964, just months after the tragic assassination of President John F. Kennedy. These coins were minted as a tribute, and they've become one of the most collected modern U.S. coins. Today we focus on the 1974 issue, which was minted in 3 locations: Philadelphia ***, No Mint Mark Denver ***, Mint Mark D San Francisco ***, Mint Mark S. For the proof coin, let's talk about value. In circulated condition, the kind you'll usually find in your change or inherited coin jars, the 1974 Kennedy half dollar is not made of silver. It's made of a copper-nickel clad composition. Because of this, its face value is 50 cents, and in most circulated conditions, the coin is worth about 50 cents to $1, depending on condition. That's right, not much over face value. But if you've got a coin in better shape, say, uncirculated or mint state, things get more interesting. Some 1974 D Kennedy half dollars have a rare and valuable error, a double die obverse, especially visible in the words, "In God We Trust," and "Liberty." If you have one of these, your coin could be worth $100 to $300 or more. Depending on condition, want to check if your 1974 Kennedy half dollar is valuable? Here's what to do. Look for a mint mark, examine it under magnification for doubling, check the fields for mirror finish or cameo contrast, proofs, compare the condition to grading charts, scratches, and where matter. So, should you keep your 1974 Kennedy half dollar uncirculated *** or proof a double die error, or you just love Kennedy history? No, if it's heavily worn and you're not collecting, it's mostly worth face value. Quick fact: the Kennedy half dollar was originally intended to be a one-time tribute, but public demand was so high, it became a permanent coin series. In 1974, over 350 million Kennedy halves were minted. The Kennedy half dollar was first introduced in 1964, less than 4 months after the assassination of President John F. Kennedy on November 22, 1963. Americans were devastated by his sudden death, and there was a widespread desire to honor his memory on U.S. coinage. The half-dollar denomination was chosen as the canvas for the tribute, replacing the previous Franklin half dollar. The first Kennedy half dollars in 1964 were struck in 90% silver, making them popular both sentimentally and for their intrinsic metal value. By 1974, the Kennedy half dollar had already been in circulation for 10 years. However, unlike the 1964 version, the 1974 issue is not silver. Starting in 1971, the U.S. Mint stopped using silver in circulation. Strike Kennedy half dollars. The Philadelphia Mint struck 201,596,000 coins. The Denver Mint produced 79,066,300 coins. The San Francisco Mint struck proof coins only, for collectors. Metal ***, copper-nickel clad, outer layers of 75% copper and 25% nickel bonded to a core of pure copper, diameter ***, 30.6 mm, weight ***, 11.34 grams, edge ***, reeded designer ***, Gilroy Roberts, obverse, Frank Gasparo, reverse, obverse, front, ***, a left-facing portrait of President John F. Kennedy designed by Gilroy Roberts. It includes the inscriptions, "Liberty in God We Trust ***. The year 1974 features the presidential seal, with a heraldic eagle clutching arrows and an olive branch. Above the eagle's head is a ring of 13 stars, and the reverse also bears. One of the most famous varieties from this year is the 1974 D double die obverse. This rare error coin features noticeable doubling on the lettering of "In God We Trust" and "Liberty," making it a valuable collector item. Even though the Kennedy half dollar was still being produced in large numbers in 1974, it was already becoming less common in everyday transactions. Most Americans were not using half dollars regularly, and many were simply saving them due to the Kennedy connection. 1964 ***. Kennedy half dollar introduced, 90% silver, 1971 ***. Switched to copper-nickel clad for circulation. 1974 ***. Over 280 million coins minted across 3 mints. 1974 D ***. Double die variety discovered later, increasing collector interest. The 1974 Kennedy half dollar is a part of American numismatic history, not just because of its connection to a beloved president, but also for its place in the transition from silver to clad coinage. While common in circulated condition, its rare error versions and uncirculated examples are prized by collectors today. The condition, or grade, of a coin is one of the most important factors that determines its value. A 1974 Kennedy half-dollar in poor condition might be worth just 50 cents, but the same coin in uncirculated or high-grade condition could be worth $20 or even more, especially if it's a rare variety or has a mint error. Proof coins *** from San Francisco with an S mint mark have mirror-like surfaces and are struck twice to bring out fine detail. Circulation coins *** from Philadelphia or Denver have a duller appearance and were made for everyday use. Always check your 1974 D. Coins carefully ***. Use a magnifying glass to inspect "In God We Trust" and "Liberty" for doubling. This is a highly valuable error known as the double die obverse.